Today we are in, where are we? Steg. The Thai call it Steg, Malaysian call Steg. Yep, so today we are here in Premium Audioworks with this Steg built car, Lexus. Many people here upgrading to this Lexus, so this car owner decided to put some OEM placement. Simple setup. Come, let me show you. Nothing much to see. It's purely simple setup really. DSP-M, and there's a woofer with Class D Steg woofer, Steg amplifier. Come, let me show you. Simple, kosong. You still can put all your things. You know, you still can put this thing, all this thing, and then voila. See? Oh, I got compartment for you, put some more. This is the Steg SS-10 subwoofer, the 10-inch flagship subwoofer. Then this, the what they call that, S1000 Class D amplifier inside here, powering him. So it's a custom, nicely done here. Nice work. Carpeted, nicely done. That's all you have. Then you want a better, you open up. You don't want, you can always close back when you have a lot of grocery. That's what everyone wants nowadays. So I'm listening music and I decided to put it this way, will be better for me. Yep. Okay, now we go in front. I'll show you something. In front, below this seat, we have the SSDSP10 to power the mid-bass, to power the mid-range and tweeter. So the previous system all removed, and this car has no Mark Levinson, so it's just purely normal speaker. So they remove everything and plug it in with full stack system inside here. So this here is using the K8C, the white color with black color in the middle, new mid-bass by Steg. Here is a 4-inch coaxial. There's something new. I will show you. Come, I go the other side and show you. Now we are in front in the driver's position. Come, let me show you just now where we take off from. So of course, just now I was talking about this here. Yep. So there's no tweeter, it's a built-in. So this is the speaker, at least you can see. So this is the Q4C they call it. So you can see the mid-range here and the tweeter in the middle. This is not one connection, but it has two connections. So this part is for your mid-range, and guess what? This part is for your tweeter. So it's a two how do you call it? Two speaker cable, two set of speaker cable, two pairs. So you plug it in here for your tweeter, and you plug it in here for your mid-range, and they both connects back to the SSDSP10. So they are both amplified differently. It's something new. Yeah. So I think this is not in the market yet. So this owner is very lucky you get to install this, as this is only available now only in Premium Audioworks. So Bernard has installed this right inside there, like that. I'm not sure did he angle or just flat straight. I can't see, but he said he has some photo. We'll share some photo later. And okay, this is one special thing. Then you have the controller for the DSP volume, and what he did here is this original. Okay, so high out to the DSP-M, and of course you have a DAC. So with the AK DAC for the owner, so the owner is using this AK DAC cable straight into the DSP also. So it's just a simple setup, purely OEM. Nothing much. One sub, one Q4C, one K8C mid bass, 8-inch mid bass. That's all hidden, OEM style. And of course the SSDSP10. Okay, let me give you some EMA sound sampling with using this deck. Let's go. So we will be playing Hungry Bird by EMA, from EMA.